This is the BioLite HeadLamp 750, an ultra-bright 750 lumen USB rechargeable headlamp built for your high-performance activity. The HeadLamp 750 features 8 modes: dimmable red flood, dimmable white spot, flood and combo, white strobe, a 30-second burst mode, and a rear red visibility light in red flood or strobe. With BioLite's proprietary 3D SlimFit Construction, the 3D molded housing integrates directly into the band for a comfortable low-profile front with no bounce. The rear power source keeps the weight off your face for maximum wearability. Most headlamps auto-regulate to conserve battery, dimming over time and reducing beam distance. HeadLamp 750 includes constant mode, a setting that maintains full illumination without any loss of brightness, a pro feature clutch for technical terrain or tasks. Extend your runtimes even further with an included 3-foot Run Forever charging cable that you can connect to an external power source in a vest or pack and activate a pass-thru charge that can take you through the entire night. Superior fit, lightweight, controllable lumens, and rechargeability that can run forever. That's HeadLamp 750.